Hi, this is Todd Zimmerman from Kress Commercial Equipment, here to introduce some cool tools for Farms.com. First, we want to talk through a couple things of what makes the difference or why Kress is here to make a difference in the industry, and then we'll get to a really cool product that farmers are going to love, the Kress 60V commercial chainsaw. First, let's talk about the change in the industry that's occurring. That change from gas going into cordless and what Kress brings to the industry and how we're going to be innovators in that change. Really what it comes down to is our battery platform and the CyberPack system. So you're going to hear me refer to it as our CyberPack system or our 8-minute cyber system. And the essence behind it is the technology that we're brought into our battery technology and be able to charge on the go. We refer to our new technology as our CyberPack batteries. We have it in both a 4 amp and an 11 amp battery. What's the biggest difference in these batteries? Well, forever the industry has been trying to do one thing: lower the resistance of the cells to get more out of that battery pack. And that's what the CyberPack batteries bring to the market. We've lowered the resistance to the cells to give us huge benefits over standard lithium-ion batteries. We get 3,000 life cycles, which is 10 times the life cycles of a standard lithium-ion battery. We have no downtime, meaning when you use these, the cells run cool. So after you use it in a product like this chainsaw, you don't have to worry about the battery cells cooling down. You can put it on the charger right away and start charging. We also get more power out of the battery. As you lower the resistance, you can get more out of it. For example, in our 60V commercial chainsaw, with the use of these batteries, it operates as a 40 to 45 cc gas chainsaw. Unbelievable power coming from the product, from the batteries itself. Now, with those batteries, as you bring those benefits together, we also coupled it with our CyberPack charging system. And this is charging on the go. This is essentially buying all your fuel cost up front for all of your gas product and having it in a charger so you can be able to charge batteries away from an AC outlet. So with our CyberPack system, it offers a lot of different benefits, but you can charge the 11 amp hour and the 4 amp hour battery in just 15 minutes. And if that wasn't fast enough, we have a flash charge that will allow you to charge in 8 minutes. Along with the CyberPack, it also is connected to 4G, so you always know with our Kress commercial app where the CyberPack is, the state of charge. It'll also give you the state of charge of the batteries, and the batteries will provide any issues or updates on the tools itself. So to bring this all together, to have an industry change from gas to cordless, it's based on what the battery platform can do for the landscaper and for the farmer to make sure that they can get through those jobs without the hassles of gas. Now, if we take a look at the chainsaw itself, so this is an awesome tool for farmers and one that farmers are going to love. And here's why. It is a brushless motor, meaning we have instant torque and very little repair, any repair, because of no brushes to it. As soon as you pull the trigger, it's instant torque, so you don't have to worry about it ramping up to speed. And remember, it's the equivalent of a 40 to 45 cc gas chainsaw. We also have a 0.325 low profile Oregon bar and chain to work with that brushless motor to give you the fastest cutting, most efficient cutting using our battery system. And speaking of the cutting speed, it's 24 meters per second or 78 feet per second cutting speed. So it makes cutting wood like you're cutting butter. Now, why will farmers like this? Right? To get away and not worry about the hassles of gas. So you don't have to worry about your gas, the maintenance of that, or the pull, throwing your shoulder out to get it up and running. You can use it for cutting trees down if you need to, limbing trees, storm damage, anything in and around the fences, but it literally gets you away from depending on that gas can and the rise of the gas prices going up and maintenance costs going up for gas as well. Now, other benefits to it, it has an inertia chain brake, which is awesome for those incidents where you may have issues for it, where it may bog down. So from a safety standpoint, we're building in each of the safety features into it. It does have the lock up here, so you need to pull it forward to unlock it to start it, and back here to lock it in place from a safety standpoint, and a two-step trigger to make sure you have safety built into it. So you push a button and pull the trigger to start it, so it won't start with just the pull of a trigger. We want to make sure that we're taking care of our farmers out there with all the safety features built in, with a powerful chainsaw running off of our CyberPack batteries, with a chain speed and chain designed specifically for this application to give them the best performance against gas product that's out there.